to Texas.
Yeehaw!
Texas it is.
Well, we made it to Texas.
And there's something odd here in Texas. Look at that white stuff.
That
It's snow.
is cold. We're wondering what this weather's gonna do to these Texas critters. They don't know what to do in
They've
it.
been locked down for 4 days now.
Yeah. Al told me a story about one time he came to Texas. It was so cold.
Doves were just laying everywhere. They died. They just tipped
Dropping
over.
from the trees.
And I don't think it was this cold. So
Doves were dropping from the trees and the power lines everywhere, and
nothing was hungry. They didn't have to eat. There was dead critters everywhere. So
that is a
scary proposition.
if we run into that, you won't ever see this footage probably.
No, they'll see it because we're going to kill a bunch of fox.
Brian Trussell, the love muscle. How are you, buddy?
Oh man, I'm getting old. How are you doing, bud?
Good. Good to see you.
Same here. Who's that? Who'd you drag over here?
Well, that's Mr. Alan Morris.
Say,
Yeah,
Biggin.
heard
How you
of
doing, brother? Good. How are you? Doing good.
Well, we are here.
Man, it's a brutal trip. Golly, it's brutal.
Tell us about Waco. What's going on there?
Right now in Waco, when I left, there was 8 inches of snow on the ground. And we had approximately about 3/4 of an inch of ice. And
8 inches of snow, almost an inch of ice.
set record temperatures. The night before last got down to -2 degrees straight temperature. So it's been brutal.
And power outages.
We're still out of power.
Holy cow.
4 days.
Well, we are here and we're looking forward to slaying some fox.
Well, we're gonna go after fox tomorrow, and maybe Friday, and then Saturday we're gonna drop down some coyote and cat country.
Cool.
So
Come to Texas and have some fun.
I tell you what, we got plenty of snow.
Last stand. Sun's going down. We're gonna go try and call a coyote, and we're gonna try and call anything in right now. We've been pinned down with the snow. The snow finally stopped about 20 minutes ago. Last stand of the day. Come on. Where do you want to set?
Around that deer stand somewhere. He said that cat had been seen down there by that feeder.
Do this.
Tell you what, the animals is so cold and they're just hunkered down. They're not wanting to move right now until the sun comes out and warms up a little bit. It's still brutal.
We're in Texas and it's really weird. We've made 3 stands, actually 5 now with 2 last night. And I've yet to call a coyote in. Or yet to call a fox. What do you think, Brian? Why are we not calling fox in the most fox-rich area in the country?
I think they're just shocked right now with all the snow and ice, and it's still 4 degrees. So I think once it warms up, I think they'll turn on.
You've never seen snow like this in your life. There's no way they have.
No, I've been here 49 years and it's never snowed down here like this. And never had temperatures like this. So
What do you think these animals are thinking?
I think right now they don't know how to act because they're just trying to stay warm. But I think once it starts to warm up, the sun's come out, I think they'll start moving.
I hope so. Let's go. Got him. You tough little bugger. We did it.
Got a little blood.
Yeah. Guys, good to see one come in. They're so pretty. They are magnificent animals. Gray fox are so fun. They really are. Let's move it over here. They don't know they're little.
No, they sure don't.
They're so fun to call because gray fox don't know they're little. They got that stripe down their back and they're just magnificent animals to call. We're using the Hornady BB, 3-inch BB, nickel-plated coyote loads, and they do a number on the fox too. And I broke it down, had to shoot it again. Is it a male or a female?
Female.
Female fox. When do they breed? When do fox breed?
Pretty close, same time as coyotes.
Yeah, that February. So, I wonder where her male was.
I don't know.
I thought she was gonna hook downwind or whatever and then come right to the collar.
Well,
So,
he wasn't too far away, I can promise. So
yeah.
let's go see if we can get another one.
Hey, Fox Pro Hunting TV, right here in Texas with Brian Trussell, killing beautiful gray fox in Texas.
Don't forget your stool.
I'm not.
Tell us about that stool. I know there's a backstory.
Well,
One of the times in the
Yeah.
past when I was filming Truss,
if y'all remember in the New Mexico episode, I broke a brand new chair.
brand new, just like the ones you like.
Yeah, and I said that would never happen again, so I built my own heavy duty for big man.
That's like an Army surplus chair there. That thing's built out of old recycled tank parts.
It is. It don't even squeak.
Well, 6'7", you gotta have
I gotta have something sturdy.
sturdy, huh?
Yep, so I got a good one now.
We haven't called anything in. We haven't called a coyote or a fox in a bunch of stand. We're trying to make it work. We called all day, killed one fox. We're in the grind. It's supposed to be easier than this. There's thousands of fox on this place, and we've only called one in. The snow is melting. You're seeing the snow's about gone. But we're still giving her a go. Stay tuned. We'll call you in a fox. He was by that big fluffy bush. He went behind that biggest, fluffiest bush. Oh, he's standing right there. You got him? Fox down, baby. I didn't know what to do, Truss. Shoot him. Well, he was to the right of that big fluffy bush, and then he come left, and I just, yeah, it was gonna go bad. I didn't know what to do. I wanted you to get a shotgun kill. The old 223 53 grain Superformance has barked. We got it. He's a pretty sucker.
Sure is. Got a lot of red on him.
Yeah, I could tell he was red, red, red. Boy, that 223 is none too friendly, is it? It's our second gray fox of the trip, and they're just magnificent little critters. They sure come to the call big, but we had 3 inches of snow that's now down to about 1 inch or less. And in another hour or two, I don't think we'll be in snow anymore. It'll be slush. And I happened to catch this fox on the other side. You can see it come through this, right on this rim and popped out. And I took the shot we were given. Fox Pro Hunting TV right here in Texas with Brian Trussell. Tom Austin behind the camera. I'm glad you're along. Stay tuned. You don't know where we'll be or what we're doing, but we're in Texas, so it's going to be a little more trigger time. I think they're going to start moving now.
Yeah.
If you enjoyed this episode, click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to catch every hunt from Fox Pro Hunting TV.